First, we need to go to settings. In the settings, scroll down a little bit until you find security and privacy. Then in security and privacy, scroll down again in order to go to more security settings, and then you should be able to find secure folder. Select it, press continue once again, and now we need to wait a minute or so to let the phone create the secure folder for us. Once it is set up, we can press done over here. We need to choose the password type that we want to use for the secure folder. If you have added biometrics, then you can use them over here as well. So in my case, I'm gonna choose a simple PIN code. If the password is easy to guess, then we will see this information. So we can choose to change PIN and use something more complicated. And also we can just press use anyway, and then re-enter the password that you want to use and press OK. Now we are asked whether we want to use our Samsung account to be able to reset the password in case we forget it, so you can allow that if you want to. I'm gonna not allow. And then we have the information that we shouldn't forget the password, that we must not forget the password. All right, let's press next. We should go immediately into the secure folder, and here we have our apps. We can add new apps by pressing this plus button. Of course, if you want to see more apps on this list, then you need to first install these apps on your phone. And whatever you choose over here, and if you add it to the secure folder, these apps will have separate data from the same apps that you have outside of the secure folder. So we have like an individual private environment with different accounts, different data, and so on. And if you open any of these apps, then of course you will have to set them up for the first time if you do this. Now you can also uninstall apps or remove apps from the secure folder by pressing and holding the finger on the app, and then you have the uninstall option, and you don't have to worry that you will completely uninstall the app. It will be just removed from the secure folder. You can also add the shortcut to the home screen if you want a quicker access. If you want to lock the secure folder, then you can press these three dots and then we have lock and exit. However, I have a small tip for you. Go to settings and then here choose auto lock secure folder and switch to each time I leave an app, if you of course find it more convenient. So now whenever you exit the secure folder or any app that you opened through the secure folder, then you will have to enter the password again. If you go to the secure folder for the first time, once you turn on the phone or something, then you will have to enter the password, but the next time you try to open it, you should be able to also use biometrics, as you can see here. And that is essentially it. To find more customization options, you can tap on these three dots and you can go to either settings or customize, because you can also change the appearance of the secure folder. And the secure folder can be found in the app screen or the app drawer over here. And that is all. Check this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.